Today we're checking out this kit from Viking Revolution. This is the beard wash kit, which actually comes with the beard wash, but also a conditioner. So if you followed or looked at other beard product brands out there, so many of them are missing the mark in that they don't have a separate conditioner. So Viking Revolution actually has a kit with both of these 17-ounce bottles, so huge bottles. You just put a little dime-sized dollop of the wash in, work it in with your fingers. You get an incredible rich foam out of this that smells amazing with the sandalwood scents in it. Rinse that out, finish it up with the conditioner, again with the sandalwood scent. So as you're doing it, it just smells amazing. And you're going to leave this in for 2 or 3 minutes, wash it out. You end up with your beard feeling softer than it ever has before. So if you're really looking to try to make a soft beard, it's manageable, you don't have those flyaways, and you might want those neck nuzzles out of your significant other, check out Viking Revolution and pick yourself up this kit with the wash and the conditioner.